Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another awesome ScoobyK video today on the channel. Last time we managed to troll 2 servers, and I contacted the owner and managed to get head admins. So I've managed to get head admin from the owner. So here we are back in the same server as yesterday with the head moderator. So I did make some friends, and I don't know how this is going to go, so you can just watch the video and find out. So I've ended up in a situation that I do not want to talk about. My plan was to do some skydiving roleplay, and now I'm doing this. Yeah. Let's go, dude. Shit, dude. Oh, I knew that was gonna happen. Quick, lift off, lift off, lift off. Oh yeah, baby, let's go. My fucking piece of shit. Oh my god, how am I not dead? How am I not dead? Any other plane I'd be dead. Oh, there it is. Wait, look who it is, look who it is, look who it is. Well, that wasn't as epic as I thought it was gonna be. Let's see what goes on. Is anybody in here? Is anybody here? Oh, is anybody in here? Oh my god, I've never been in here before. The fuck is this so huge? There's a downstairs. Oh my god. Good lord. Okay, oh, there's me. Nope, that's a washroom. Wait. Okay, upstairs. So, made my way upstairs. And the kitchen. Fucking kitchen up here, man. Oh, who is in here, man? Nobody? Some computers. Keep that in mind. Oh, and look who it is. Oh, it looks like this is our dispatch room, so I can keep that in mind. Looks like my gaming setup right now. So I've mentioned I'm at 1035, threatening to kill myself, and I don't think they care. Really, I don't think anybody cares. So, oh, that's lovely, man. It looks like I died. Oh, where's the cops now? Okay, lovely. I like how there's so many things I can do, but I haven't even done like remotely like 10% of them. So I don't. Oh, there's someone out there, man. And it looks like he's actually trying to care for me now. I don't think he knows I'm not dead anymore. That's very delayed though. Oh, I just hit a clip. Let's clip. So yeah. Sir, someone was trying to shoot themselves in there, man.
Sane.
Yeah,
Jeez.
like, I don't even, like, that, I don't know who would do that. Like, R.I.P.
I wonder.
Yeah. I'll be on my way now, though. Let's go. Oh, I mean, oh shit, this is my favorite part. Ready? Oh yeah. If you have any RP ideas, I'll take the time right now to tell you to comment down below. Join my Discord. We have suggestions channels, man. Did I say that right? Who cares? But yeah, if you have any suggestions, man, just like put it down below in the comments or my Discord server. Discord server is also down below, so I'll also take this time to mention the fact that we are looking for staff members and OG members to join the roleplay and troll with me in servers like this. In the future, we are planning to open up a 5M server, so we're looking for developers. Yeah. So listen, I can spectate, he doesn't know I'm here, and I'm gonna follow like a little trend and play some creepy music, and kind of scare the shit out of him. Ready? because I also don't know how I'm gonna do this properly. Oh, if he's going inside, this is gonna be perfect for me. And it is. Oh my god, dude. Wait. Here it is. Here it is. That's almost perfect. I'm gonna do it again. We're going for round 2. Wait, he said what the fuck? This shit can be scary, man. I'd fall for it. Oh shit.
One King 03 to any available units. I'm dealing with a weird occurrence here at the corner of Panama and Joshua Road at 1019 across from the fire station.
Yes, it's finally working.
Hello, who is it?
Okay, we're gonna play with them, man. We're gonna play with them. Playing with them. I lost them. I want to say I'm thinking to end the video there, but if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, join my Discord down below, and comment any suggestions like I said. So enjoy the rest of your day.